2 a.m. is a desert floor. The tiles are cold beneath my feet. The refrigerator hums a low frequency, cutting through the heavy air of the hallway. I stand before the humming box where the digital clock fades into the shadows. A singular glow of emerald radiation, counting down moments that haven't arrived yet. Small square of light burning in the corner, the only sun this midnight ever claimed. It paints the linoleum in ghost shades, a silent beacon for the hungry and the lost. Steady glare in the hollow of the pantry, waiting for the bell that never strikes. Small square of line burning in the corner, the only sun this late night ever claimed. It paints the linoleum in ghost shades, a silent beacon for the hungry and the lost. Steady glare in the hollow of the pantry, waiting for the bell that never strikes. The shadows of the chairs stretch long and thin, like skeletal fingers reaching for the glare. Everything else is faded into the charcoal fabric, but this tiny spark refuses to go dim. It is the eye of a mechanical god watching over the crumbs and the quiet. I reach out and touch the plastic face. My skin turns a shade of sea foam and sickness. There is no heat inside the glass, only the promise of a cycle yet to start. I am trapped between the ticking and the